Hello everyone. I was asked to update the Sanjeevini app so that it runs on different devices and includes the latest cards. The updated Sanjeevini app is browser-based and can be installed. Once installed, an internet connection is no longer required to use the app. You can install the app by clicking on the icon in the address bar. The web address of the app is virtualradionics.com Sanjeevini. The first time you load the app, it may take a little longer because all the card images need to be downloaded. Once everything is ready, the app will look like this on a standard tablet. On the upper left side, you will see a list of available cards to choose from. Tap or click the Add button to add a card to the selected cards list below. You can scroll down to view all other cards of the selected type. On the right side, you will see different card categories. Tapping or clicking on one of these will filter the list accordingly. By clicking Add Neutralize, you can place a neutralized card at the top of the selected cards list. The buttons below allow you to display the selected cards. Clicking Start will display each card for 15 seconds before moving to the next one. This continues until all selected cards have been displayed. Click Stop to interrupt the sequence. Click Clear to remove all selected cards. The Resolve Combinations button will break down SSC cards into their underlying BPS and DS cards while eliminating duplicates. Add to Own allows you to save your selected cards as a custom set. You can enter a name and confirm with Enter, or press Escape to skip. To delete a saved recipe, open the Manage Own menu and click the red button to erase it. To add a saved recipe to the selected card list, click Own, then add it like a regular card. At the top of the card list, you can use filters to search by card number or description. For example, if you search for Pain, you will find the Pain Sanjeevini card and the SSC for Lumbago, SSC4. You can add both to the selected cards area. If you want to charge an object, such as a glass of water, you can add the Neutralize card by clicking Add Neutralize and then start the process. The combination will be broken down into its BPS and DS cards. The sequence starts with the Neutralize card and progresses through each card in 15-second intervals. You can stop the process at any time and clear the list if needed. On the upper right side, you will see a Settings section. Depending on your device, this section may be partially or fully hidden, but you can access it by scrolling down. First, you can switch between dark mode and light mode based on your preference. Below that, you can adjust the font size of the card list for easier reading, depending on your device size and resolution. The Change List View option switches to a more compact layout, which is useful for smaller devices. In this view, the filter option is not available. The app detects the local language automatically, but you can also change it manually. I have included the languages that have official translations available on the SaiSanjeevini.org website, and I want to acknowledge those who contributed these translations. Finally, you can adjust the display time for each card. The default duration is 15 seconds, but you can increase or decrease this as needed. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Please let me know if you meet any problems with the app or you have any suggestions for improvement.